Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can manage story replies on your Instagram. Maybe you want to limit on how you can reply onto your stories but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can manage story replies on your Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then once you open it, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. From here, you'll see your Instagram icon or your profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. And then from your profile page, tap on these three lines at the upper right corner of your screen. And then in here, select Settings and Privacy. After that, you have to scroll down and you'll see here how others can interact with you. From here, tap on these messages and story replies. And then here, to manage the story replies, simply tap on this story replies. And then from here, as you can see, who can reply to your stories. As you can see, it is allow replies from all followers. If you want to change it to allow replies from followers you follow back or don't allow story replies, simply tap on these side circles to change it. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage story replies on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage story replies on your Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.